Hello, my name is Armin. I'm the CTO of Wingtra. We've been working on a search and rescue AI solution, which helps first responders and public safety individuals and teams to find people that have gone missing. Traditionally, helicopters could be deployed or ground crews could search the areas. If you don't know where to search, that is a very tedious method to deploy ground troops. And helicopters are usually not available and also are prone to putting people at risk. And if you miss, you've essentially wasted the other part of your flight. So this is why we developed an AI solution that processes images from the Wingtra Ray drone. AI looks at every individual image right away, so there's no time delay, there's no processing other than the AI involved, and it will highlight potential detections for a human reviewer and pinpoint that on a map and make it shareable with ground crews very fast, such that either ground crews can directly go take a look or other rotary-based drones can be deployed. So with this solution, the Wingtra Search and Rescue AI solution and the Wingtra Ray drone, you're gonna get a complete game changer in terms of how quickly you can respond to such cases of a missing person. You can really lower the threshold to actually just deploy the drone, get it to search a big area and get your initial overview of where you might need to refine your search. That's a complete game changer in terms of your speed to response, and also the quality of your detection task is gonna go through the roof with that, because you're not only getting one look, but you're getting the AI that helps you take multiple looks over the same data that you have been capturing. So this way you can cover hundreds of acres within only like 10 minutes, and your speed and your quality of results is going to go through the roof.